In this video we are going to show you how to install Flowise using EasyPanel. Flowise AI is an open-source tool that provides a user-friendly interface for creating custom large language models and AI chatbots. EasyPanel allows you to install apps quickly, avoiding complicated setup process. You need a minimum of 2 GB RAM server to install EasyPanel. In this example, we are going to use Iono's VPS hosting. A typical 2 GB server costs $3 per month. Let's head over to the server panel to start installing EasyPanel. Open PowerShell or any terminal to access the server. Head over to EasyPanel documentation to copy the command for installation. Link is in the description below. Now copy and paste the next command to finalize the installation. Once completed, you will get the link to the EasyPanel dashboard to start installing Flowise. Set up your login credentials. Click on Create a project. Click on Templates. Search for the Flowise template. Add your Flowise login credentials. Change the version number to latest so that it will install the latest version of Flowise. Wait for the installation to finish. Once done, you click Open to open the Flowise application. Log in with your credentials and that's it, we have successfully installed Flowise. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more AI automation tutorials.